If spending time outdoors is an adventure, then staying clean shouldn't feel like a luxury. Every camper, hiker, overlander, road trip enthusiast, or beach explorer knows that after hours under the sun, covered in sweat, dust, mud, or sand, a proper shower can completely change the experience. But what if there was a portable gadget that could deliver that refreshing feeling almost anywhere? Today's gadget might be one of those camping accessories people never knew they needed until they actually used it. And by the end of this video, they'll understand why so many outdoor lovers are adding it to their gear. The Shower Kit Camp Shower with full-screen intelligent digital display and a powerful 6000 mAh rechargeable battery is designed for people who love exploring without sacrificing comfort. Instead of depending on campsite facilities or carrying heavy water systems, this compact shower kit transforms almost any bucket, container, or water source into a convenient personal shower. The first thing that immediately stands out is the intelligent digital display. Rather than leaving users guessing how much battery is left, the screen clearly shows the remaining power level. That small feature makes a huge difference during camping trips because nobody wants their shower stopping halfway through after a long hike. With a quick glance, users know exactly when it's time to recharge before the next adventure. Powering the shower is a built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable battery. That large battery capacity means the shower is built for extended outdoor use without constantly searching for a power source. Whether someone is camping for a weekend, spending the day at the beach, or traveling in an RV, they can enjoy multiple showers on a single charge depending on usage. This makes the kit especially practical for longer outdoor trips where electricity isn't always available. One of the biggest reasons outdoor enthusiasts appreciate portable showers is convenience. Setting this unit up is surprisingly simple. The user places the pump into a bucket or container filled with water, connects the shower head, powers it on, and within seconds water begins flowing. There are no complicated installations or confusing controls. Even someone using a portable camp shower for the very first time can have it running within minutes. Another impressive feature is the adjustable water flow. Different situations call for different pressure levels. A gentle flow might be perfect for washing a child's hair or rinsing off after swimming, while a stronger spray works better for removing mud from hiking boots or washing camping equipment. That flexibility allows users to customize the experience based on their needs, instead of settling for one fixed setting. Although it's marketed as a camping shower, its usefulness extends far beyond campsites. Imagine returning from a day at the beach covered in sand. Instead of bringing all that sand into the car, users can rinse themselves off immediately. Mountain bikers can wash away dirt before heading home. Dog owners can clean muddy paws after outdoor walks. Gardeners can rinse off after working in the yard. Even fishermen can wash their hands and equipment after a successful day on the water. Road trip travelers also benefit tremendously. Long-distance driving often means stopping at remote locations where proper washing facilities aren't available. Having a rechargeable portable shower stored in the vehicle provides a level of comfort that many travelers don't realize they need until they experience it firsthand. Families who enjoy outdoor adventures may find this gadget even more valuable. Kids naturally attract dirt, mud, and sand during outdoor activities. Instead of letting the mess continue throughout the trip, parents can quickly rinse everyone off before getting back into the vehicle or entering the tent. It saves time, reduces cleanup later, and helps everyone feel much more comfortable. The shower head itself is designed to deliver an even spray rather than an uncomfortable stream of water. This creates a more natural showering experience, making users feel closer to using a traditional bathroom shower despite being surrounded by nature. Another advantage is portability. Outdoor gear should never become a burden to carry. This shower kit is compact enough to fit inside camping equipment, RV storage compartments, vehicle trunks, or travel bags without taking up excessive space. That means it remains ready whenever it's needed while leaving room for other essential gear. Rechargeability is another feature that adds tremendous value. Instead of constantly buying replacement batteries, users simply recharge the built-in battery before their next trip. This saves money over time while making the gadget more environmentally friendly. Durability also plays an important role for outdoor equipment. Camping gadgets often face dirt, rough handling, changing weather, and repeated transportation. A portable shower is only useful if it can reliably accompany users through multiple adventures, making solid construction an important consideration for anyone investing in outdoor gear. Perhaps the biggest reason this gadget stands out is how it transforms the overall outdoor experience. Camping has always been about connecting with nature, but comfort doesn't have to disappear completely. Small conveniences like having access to a refreshing shower after a long day can dramatically improve morale, reduce fatigue, and help campers feel cleaner and more relaxed before settling in for the night. For people who love overlanding, RV travel, hiking, beach trips, fishing, hunting, festivals, or even emergency preparedness, this portable shower becomes much more than another camping accessory. It becomes one of those practical tools that solves everyday outdoor problems with remarkable simplicity. Modern outdoor gadgets are at their best when they combine smart technology with genuine usefulness, and the shower kit certainly fits that description. From the intelligent battery display to the adjustable spray settings and long-lasting rechargeable battery, nearly every feature has been designed with convenience in mind. Sometimes it's the simplest gadgets that have the greatest impact on an adventure. Staying clean, comfortable, and refreshed while exploring the outdoors can completely change how enjoyable a trip becomes. Instead of cutting adventures short because of discomfort, outdoor lovers can spend more time doing what they enjoy most. For anyone looking to upgrade their camping gear with something that's both practical and surprisingly versatile, the Shower Kit Camp Shower with full-screen intelligent digital display, adjustable 6000 mAh shower kit is certainly worth considering. It offers convenience, portability, flexibility, and comfort, all packed into one compact gadget that's ready to follow every adventure, wherever the road leads next. If this gadget impressed viewers, they should let everyone know in the comments where they would use it first. And for more amazing outdoor gadgets, camping gear, and smart tech reviews, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so they never miss the next exciting